Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to another video. Today is all about cleaning motivation, and I'm going to show you how quickly you can turn clutter into some coziness and just really beautiful spaces for you to relax. I have been really busy lately, and today was my day off, so I thought I would tackle some of my cleaning and take you along with me. Let's go ahead and dive right into some cleaning motivation.
What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So here's what I got going for me. I have a day off and I thought I would spend today doing some quick cleaning, nothing too crazy. I did want to spend most of today relaxing, but I cannot relax in a home that is a mess. So I wanted to share how I quickly cleaned up this space and made it super cozy and nice and clean so I could relax. And as you can see, the kitchen is somewhat messy. There's stuff in the sink, things on the countertops that I do need to put away, and all of that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. I'm going to start with the laundry, of course. When I do my cleaning, I always like to start with the laundry, and I will not bore you with folding these clothes, so I'm going to do it nice and easy by snapping my fingers. And then these cushions needed a good cleaning, so I went ahead and just took off the seat cushions and the back cushions and threw those in the washer really quickly.
Be free with me.
I love using this laundry fragrance whenever I wash my bedding or my couch covers, and this one is the hyacinth scent and it smells so incredibly good. I have another scent as well that I use, and I will leave both of those in my description box. Since I've been working a full-time job, I always try to find things to kind of pick up my load that I'm carrying and make my life a little less harder on certain things, and cleaning is definitely one of those things. So I want to share this robotic vacuum with you. It is the Eufy times 10 Pro Omni robotic vacuum, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on this powerhouse. I am going to break down everything that I love about this and why it's the ultimate cleaning companion. So first I want to talk about the power. With a whopping 8,000 PA suction power, this little guy tackles dirt and debris with ease, leaving your floors spotless in no time. And when it comes to mopping, it's the best under $1,000 thanks to this innovative Mop Master 2.0 technology. But what really sets this robotic vacuum apart is its intelligent AI system. It's like having a cleaning ninja in your home. It can recognize obstacles and navigate around them effortlessly, so you can say goodbye to those annoying collisions. And let's not forget about the Pro Tangle Comb. Say farewell to tangled cords and hair. It's all smooth sailing with this innovative design. One of the other amazing features this vacuum provides is a lifting function, which will not wet or stain the carpet. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Omni Station. This powerhouse automatically washes and dries the mop pads, collects dirt from the robot's dustbin, and even illuminates dark spaces with its LED light for optimal cleaning. And this vacuum isn't just about surface cleaning, it's also equipped with a top-of-the-line filtration system that captures airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring your home stays clean and healthy. So whether you have pets, carpets, or hardwood floors or tile, the Eufy times 10 Pro Omni has you covered. It's the best value robotic vacuum on the market, offering unmatched performance and convenience. Say hello to a cleaner, happier home with Eufy. Click the link in my description box so you can get yours today. So while I have my vacuum going, doing all the floor cleaning for me, I'm going to head on into the kitchen and unload the dishwasher, put all of these dishes away, and then load the dishwasher back up and get that stuff out of the way. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you consider subscribing if you haven't already. I mostly do decorating videos, but I did start my channel doing cleaning videos, and I do get special requests for these. So I wanted to give you a dedicated cleaning video to all of you people that have been watching my channel from the very beginning. And I want to say thank you for returning and watching. After I've finished with all of the dishes, I am just going to use some good old Comet to polish my sink and give it a really nice clean. Few things sitting out, so I'm just going to quickly grab those and put them away, and then I will wipe my table down with an all-purpose cleaner and then go ahead and finish it off with a polish. Today I am going to be using a lemon oil polish, and this smells super good, by the way. It's called Parker and Bailey. That is the brand, and I think I actually picked it up at Big Lots. But it smells amazing, and it leaves a beautiful finish on any wood pieces that you may have in your home. Heading back over into the kitchen, I want to really wipe my counters down really well. So I'm just going to move things out of the way as I go. First, I'm going to go over to this drying rack that I have for my dishes, dry those and put them away, put my drying rack away, and there are a few things left on my counter I'm going to put away as well. And then I'm going to give my countertops a really nice clean and just make sure everything is fully dusted and nice and clean. I'm sure by the title of this video, some of you are watching because you need some cleaning motivation, and I really want to help with that. And I hope that some of you guys that are watching can help as well. Please leave in the comments what motivates you to clean and what can help you. Maybe we can all kind of go through the comments and read them and see what motivates everybody, and maybe we can try some of those things. I know for me, I like to put some music on, and that really gets me going. If I have some upbeat music playing, I can get motivated to start cleaning. Other than that, I honestly just want to sit on my couch and relax. So if you can leave some motivational tips on getting up and getting your cleaning routine going, I would love it if you shared that with all of us in the comments below. now that my kitchen is cleaned and I got pretty much all of my cleaning done, I just had to put these covers back on my couch, and by that time they were all clean and dried, and I have a super clean home. It's so cozy and comfortable. Everything smells amazing, and I can fully relax. And honestly, I love this couch. I love that you can take the cushions off when they are getting a little dirty. You can throw them in the washer and they are cleaned in no time. So even though today was my day off and I did have to do some cleaning, I did not have to take very long doing it. If you stick to a routine and you don't get distracted, you can probably have your house cleaned up in less than 30 minutes, quite honestly. I don't remember how long it took me to do this, but it did not take me that long at all, and everything is nice and clean and so relaxing just to be in a cozy, cleaned up space on my day off where I can just fully relax. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it and it gave you some cleaning motivation, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up and definitely say hi in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye!